Hello and welcome to mySciPartners.com. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access mySci unit resources from your district mySci page. First, find your district, which is listed alphabetically on the main mySciPartners.com page. You can type into the search bar here, or click on your letter, or just scroll. Enter your password. On the Overview page, you can find general mySci resources such as science instruction best practice sheets and observation tools, lesson preparation tools, and printable posters for your classroom. Be sure to look at the Announcements section to see any big picture announcements for our program and website updates. Next, select your grade level. After that, select the unit you'd like to view. On the unit page, you will notice a big picture video that gives an overview of the unit. You can also see the storyline and flowchart. There are two ways you can access our documents for the unit. The first way is to click on the red Teacher Guide button on the right sidebar. This Teacher Guide document contains the lesson plans, student journal pages, teacher pages, assessment, and other teacher resources in one collated document for easy printing. The next way you can access our documents is by clicking on one document at a time. The curriculum, slideshow, readings, tutorials, and lesson PD videos are located underneath their respective sections on the website. Here you can see Section 1 Curriculum, Slides, and Readings, and you'll also find tutorials and PD videos here as well. Here's Section 2, Section 3. The sidebar has documents that are not section specific, such as the Unit at a Glance document. This document gives you the learning targets, text, and video resources, key takeaways, and vocabulary for each lesson all in one place. At the end of this document, you'll also find pacing suggestions if you are short on instructional time. On the sidebar, you'll also find assessment resources such as data templates, assessment checklists for K-2, and Google Form pre-posts for 3 through 5. Thank you for viewing this website tutorial. If you have any questions, you can click on the Contact Us button in the top right-hand corner. We value your feedback.